What's up you guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete second account in Instagram. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And once you are on Instagram, in your profile, you can click at your username right there to see all the accounts that you are logged in. And to delete some of these accounts, you first need to log into that account. So I need to delete that account. I tap on that. Now I'm logged in that account. And what I'm gonna do now, I need to tap on three lines icon and there select settings. On the next step, I'll select help. There select help center. And in search bar, I just tap delete account. And there select how do I delete my Instagram account. And on that page I can find. And on that page I can scroll down for a little to find delete your account link. Tap on that. And there, in order to delete that account, I need to do the following. Tap on that field, select a reason why you want to delete that account, like something else. And there I need to re-enter my password from that account. You need to know that account's password. And after you go through login process, you can tap there on delete your account button. And after that, your account will be hidden for 30 days. And after that, it will be deleted permanently. So make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.